Hello folks, this is John Porter. As you can see, I have a Zebco dock demon. It's a fishing rod that was tangled up accidentally. This is how I fixed it. So, as you can see, I can unscrew it. We'll take it. There. This pin right here is very special because if it is messed up, it won't make the thing up or down. It'll get all tangled up. So, see this string right here? You push this button and it goes in. You can't see it, only a little bit. So this lever right here, you do this and it goes back in. Right now, when I put this back in, better access to it. So, there, get all tightened. And now, here you go.
How does it work? That button pushes it in, right?
That button pushes it in.
No, the button, that you can't even, you have no access to this. This is covered by this thing. So you have no access to this guy at all. I don't know how that got. All right. Remember, this is covering it. You can't get in there, right?
Yeah, but you can unscrew it and then you...
I know, but to use it normally, you usually have it covered, right? You don't need to have it covered, uncovered all the time to be able to use it. It needs to work with it covered, right? Because it being covered, plus this outside of this, helps it reel in and out, right? So you want to show, what does this button do? Well, you look at it, you have this up top, you can even show the line. Look, it grabs it by the side, and if you push it, it lets it go. That's a good thing to show right there. Just, hey, look, the line's supposed to be on the outside. Grab it. It grabs it and pulls it around, right? That's how it reels it in. But when that button's not working, it's either misaligned or something snags, whatever, you gotta fix it. Lubricate it, whatever. Make sure that this button is working fine, because when you push the button, it's supposed to pop in, right? When you crank it, it pops back out. And you can show it popped out, right? And then you show them put it on the cap afterwards, because you want to show the complete cap go on, and then show how it works. Which we should probably reel this in a little bit. Let's try that.
Okay. We do another video on this one.
See? Look how it reels it in. Boop. Just like that.